Welcome to Interior Design Mastery, a comprehensive one-year master program designed by industry experts and IIT faculty for professional certification. This video outlines the program overview, which bridges the gap between theory and professional practice. Key areas include a structured pathway, studio-first learning, tool mastery, and professional outcomes. Our 12-month program is structured from novice to professional. It covers foundation, core skills, and career readiness, progressing from beginner to industry-ready status. Months 1 to 6 focus on foundation and core skills, building the designer's mind and hand. Deliverables include residential mini-projects, material boards, and technical drafting. Module 01 covers orientation and design basics. This includes history, sketching, Indian vernacular, Vastu, and creating concept and mood boards. The studio task is to design your own workspace. Module 02 focuses on human-centered design and anthropometry. You will study space planning, zoning, ergonomics, and cultural influence on design. The assignment is a 2 BHK residential plan. Module 03 covers materials and finishes, exploring surface systems, sustainable materials, and sample board creation. The studio output is a residential material mood board. Module 04 covers color, lighting, and visualization. You'll master color theory, lighting strategies, rendering, and Photoshop for interiors. The studio task is a bedroom concept board. Module 05 is dedicated to CAD and interior services. You will achieve AutoCAD mastery, learn about MEP services integration, and technical detailing. The assignment is a complete 2 BHK drafting set. Months 5 to 6 cover 3D, visualization, and professional practice. You'll master SketchUp Pro and Chaos V-Ray to produce photorealistic residential visualizations, including concept, drawings, renders, and BOQ. Months 7 to 12 are dedicated to advanced specialization and industry readiness. The focus shifts from residential to complex commercial systems, covering BIM workflows and high-end visualization. Module 01 in Semester 2 covers commercial interior foundations. This includes comparing commercial versus residential design, branding, safety, and an introduction to Revit BIM workflows. The commercial track focuses on retail and office design and rendering. Topics include visual merchandising, office ergonomics, and mastering advanced visualization tools like Autodesk 3ds Max and V-Ray. Module 09 covers building construction and sustainability. You will master detailed working drawings, advanced materials, green building basics, and professional market surveys. Module 6 covers advanced rendering and BIM documentation. You will master industry tools like Revit, V-Ray, Corona, and Lumion, focusing on automated sheet management and cost extraction for detailed design documentation. The professional practice module covers contracts, site supervision, and AI integration for design intelligence. The live deliverable includes an internship journal and a simulated client pitch using AI tools. The final evaluation is the capstone and showcase. This simulates a real-world client commission, where students demonstrate competency in concept, documentation, visualization, and estimation, culminating in a final jury. Career opportunities abound in a high-demand market driven by rapid urbanization. Key roles include interior designer, BIM modeler, and 3D visualization artist across sectors like real estate, retail, and corporate offices. See real career transformations from novice to professional in just 12 months. Graduates from various backgrounds achieve significant salary growth and specialized roles like interior designer, BIM modeler, and 3D artist. Our alumni success stories highlight graduates making waves globally in commercial, residential, and retail sectors, supported by a 98% placement rate and a 500-plus global alumni network. The financial outlook is strong, with lucrative progression paths. Annual salaries range from Rupee 2 to 4 LPA for entry-level to Rupee 8 to 25, plus LPA for senior consultants, fueled by growth drivers like the residential boom and workspace transformation. The student portfolio showcases the transformation from manual sketching and concept boards to technical working drawings and final 3D visualizations, leading to roles like commercial designer. Transform your passion into a profession. Secure your spot in the professional certification in interior design. Apply now, download the curriculum, or schedule counseling. Limited seats and merit-based scholarships are available.